Hey tubers, me again. Hey, got a call from one of my landscaping guys here because he knows I work on cars and trucks, blah blah blah. So here's the description of the problem was like the brakes seem to be fine. I already got the lug nuts off, but when it's going forward, when he was going down a hill and he touched the brakes, he said it made a god awful grinding noise and the tire was actually skipping. So watch what happens when I try to turn this thing backwards. It's locking up. Now, I have not taken the tire off yet, but I'm gonna, because I've seen this before where the bolt that's holding the caliper in place has backed out, and so that the whole brake mechanism will take and lift up, or actually in this case that it'll go like this and it'll grab the inside of the tire. So first thing I'm going to do is pull this tire off, which weighs more than me, and if you can see here, there's the symptom for where it was rubbing metal to metal. And then over here, so what happened is there's supposed to be a bolt right here. Let me try to focus for you. There's supposed to be a bolt right here. So when the wheel's going forward, the brakes, well, it'll take and it'll pull the brakes in like that. But when you're rolling backwards, what happens is the pads grab onto the disc and it pushes it backwards. It has just rubbed the living bejesus right there and right there. So this bad boy, we gotta find that bolt. The bolt has just come right out of there. Can you see it? Maybe I should put a light on it. Here we go. The bolt is gone. I've seen this happen to Fords before. So that's what's wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with the pads. Pads and everything still got a lot of meat on them. The rotor is still beautiful, so it's that bolt. So these are the kinds of things that I run into, guys, and sometimes I just don't think that it's film worthy, because it took me, I jacked up the other side, I looked, I didn't see anything, and I came over here, and as soon as I spun the wheel backwards, I was fairly sure that I knew what it was going to be. So here you can see it when I twist this thing backwards. See the movement of it? It's fine when it goes forward, but when it goes backwards, that's a lot. So yeah, that goes like that, and it rubs on the inside of the tire. So actually the wheel, not the tire, the wheel. Okay, so that's just something to look for. If you got a problem going backwards, it's a Ford F-150. Okay, that's it, you guys. I'm done. I'm out. Solved the problem. Catch you on the next one.